Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about one of the most high-tech peptide-packed anti-aging serums on the market right now. This is the Medicaid's Liquid Peptides Advanced MP Serum. This serum claims to deliver a filler-like wrinkle reduction, clinically visible results in just 10 minutes, and major improvement in firmness and skin structure in 8 weeks. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive deep into the formula, the science, the texture, how to use it, and of course, the results you can expect. Let's talk first impressions, starting with the packaging. Medicate delivers a sleek pharmaceutical grade pump bottle that's both elegant and highly functional. The frosted glass feels premium and the sturdy pump dispenses just the right amount. You will appreciate the spill free application. It exudes that high end look, perfect for any vanity setup. Now on to the price. It's positioned firmly in the prestige skincare category. Here in UAE, it retails for around 356 to 381 AED, 30 ml bottle, typically about 12 to 13 per ml. Retailers like Look Fantastic sometimes offer it as low as 249 AED. Why that price tag? You are paying for that dual mini protein breakthrough, a 30% concentration of 13 clinically studied peptides, pharmaceutical grade delivery, plus eco conscious credentials like fragrance free, vegan certified, and gentle. Now, the user opinions are mixed. Some rave about its luxurious peel and performance. Texture is gorgeous and absorbs nicely. One reviewer said that it's an investment, and the other one said it does it by hydrating the area better. A slight plumping due to proper hydration can totally reduce wrinkles. So, yes, it carries a premium price tag, but if you are after luxurious packaging, science led innovation, and visible results, many feel it's worth the investment. Now, this is Medicaid's Liquid Peptides Advanced MP Serum, a next generation wrinkle serum featuring a whopping 30% multi peptide complex. And we are not talking about the basic peptides here. We are talking 13 different peptides, including Matrixyl 3000, copper peptides, acetyl hexapeptide 8, and more. Now, what really makes this serum stand out is its dual mini proteins technology. Medicaid's proprietary bioinnovation that's been 18 months in the making, tested on over 300 people in 7 clinical studies. These mini proteins are designed to go beyond just skin deep, targeting wrinkles right at their cellular source. Now, the science behind these serums are the dual mini proteins. These are the star players. These are expression line mini proteins. They helps to relax and smooth out dynamic expression lines like crow's feet, forehead lines, and smile lines. It mimics the effect of neurotoxin injectables like Botox by reducing wrinkle depth quickly, clinical improvement in 10 minutes. They also have growth factor mini protein that helps improve overall skin structure by supporting your skin's collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid levels. That means long term firmness, elasticity, and plumper looking skin. What do these peptides actually do? Now let's break down the 13 advanced peptides in Medicaid's formula, grouped by how they help your skin relax, rebuild, and protect. Group 1 peptides relax and smooth expression lines. These peptides are acetyl hexapeptide 8, also known as argireline. It relaxes facial tension just like Botox. Pentapeptide 18 enhances that effect by targeting deep wrinkles caused by facial expressions. These peptides helps reduce the depth of dynamic lines, think forehead creases and crow's feet in just minutes. Group 2 peptides are the collagen boosters. These are palmitoyl tripeptide 1, palmitoyl tripeptide 5, palmitoyl tripeptide 38, also called matrixyl synthase 6, palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7, palmitoyl tetrapeptide 10, tetrapeptide 21, heptapeptide 15, palmitate. This is where the firming magic happens. These peptides tell your skin to make more collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid, essential for bounce, structure, and hydration. Group 3 peptides regenerate and repair. These are oligopeptide 1, also called epidermal growth factor, that helps with skin renewal and healing. Growth factors are naturally occurring proteins that signal your skin cells to repair, regenerate, and produce more collagen and elastin. In this serum, the growth factor mini protein mimics these powerful messengers to help firm the skin, smooth texture, and support long term anti aging from within. It has arginine or lysine polypeptides that support skin repair and recovery. Copper palmitoyl heptapeptide 14 that boosts regeneration with copper for firmer, smoother skin. These peptides are like personal trainers for your skin, helping it to heal, renew, and rebuild over time. Group 4 peptides protect from premature aging. This is the carnosine, an antioxidant peptide that helps fight glycation, one of the causes of collagen breakdown. Carnosine works behind the scenes to protect your skin from sugar induced aging and environmental stress. Glycation is a natural process where excess sugar molecules in your body attach to proteins like collagen and elastin in your skin. This sugar coating damages these essential proteins, making them stiff and less elastic, which leads to premature aging like wrinkles, sagging, and dullness. Antioxidants and ingredients like carnosine help fight glycation by protecting and repairing skin proteins, keeping your skin firmer and more youthful looking over time. So, when Medicaid says this formula is next generation peptide science, they are not exaggerating. This blend of 13 targeted peptides works on all fronts, relaxing, rebuilding, regenerating, and protecting for visible results both instantly and long term. Alongside its 13 powerful peptides, this serum is packed with skin loving ingredients that enhance its performance. You will find hydrating heroes like sodium hyaluronate and glycerin to plump and moisturize, while panthenol and inulin help soothe and support the skin barrier. Antioxidants like vitamin E and microalgae protect against environmental damage, and delivery agents like dimethyl isosorbide ensures the peptides absorbs deep into the skin. It's a well-rounded, high-tech formula that not only targets wrinkles but also keeps your skin balanced, calm, and healthy looking. Texture is light, silky serum, almost like a soft gel. It absorbs super quickly without leaving any residue or tackiness. It's fragrance free, vegan certified, and dermatologically tested, so it's great even for sensitive skin. Application is easy. After cleansing, apply it morning and or night using upward strokes on your face, neck, and décolleté. Because it sinks in so fast, it layers beautifully under other serums, moisturizers, and makeup. So, what are the clinical results and claims? So, here's where the things get really exciting. Medicaid didn't just make claims, they backed it with hard data. In 10 minutes, 100% of the users showed a visible reduction in expression lines. Yes, 10 minutes. Perfect for before an event or night out. In 8 weeks, long term wrinkle reduction, firmer skin, and smoother contours. It's shown to rebuild elasticity and hydration while also preventing the formation of new fine lines. So, in clinical surveys, 86% said no new lines or wrinkles formed since using it. 86% said their skin structure feels firmer. Plus, it's designed to complement injectable treatments. So, if you get neurotoxins like Botox or Dysport, this serum can help you maintain your results longer between sessions. Now, who should use Medicaid Liquid Peptides Advanced Formula? This serum is ideal for anyone concerned with early to advanced signs of aging, especially if you want to target expression lines, fine wrinkles, and skin firmness. It's great for those looking for a high strength peptide serum that supports collagen and elasticity without the need for injections. Because it's fragrance free, dermatologist tested, and formulated to be gentle, it suits most skin types, including sensitive skin. If you want a powerful, science packed serum to improve skin texture, hydration, and overall youthful glow, this could be a great addition to your routine. However, if you have very oily skin or prefer lighter gel based textures, you might want to patch test first to see how it layers with your current products. Also, since it's a premium formula, it's best for those committed to consistent use for long term results. Now, how I use this serum in my routine. I have been using Medicaid Liquid Peptides Advanced Formula in both my morning and evening routine right after cleansing and toning. Because it absorbs so quickly, it layers really well with the rest of my skincare. In the morning, I follow it up with a hydrating moisturizer and, of course, sunscreen. At night, I apply it after toner and before a richer serum or cream, especially if I'm using actives like retinol on alternate nights. I love that it doesn't pill, feels light on the skin, and works well with whatever I layer on the top. It's definitely one of those serums that plays nicely with other products while quietly improving your skin over time. Now, after using Medicaid Liquid Peptide Advanced Formula for several weeks, I want to share my honest thoughts. While I didn't notice any dramatic or overnight changes in deep wrinkles, I do see a subtle but meaningful improvement in my skin's overall texture and firmness. My skin feels more resilient and has that healthy, natural glow that wasn't as noticeable before. It's definitely helped with hydration and smoothing fine lines, making my complexion look fresher and more youthful. That said, I think this serum works best as a long term investment. Peptides and growth factors often need consistent use over months to build real structural changes in the skin. So, I am committed to continuing with it to see how much more it can improve firmness and reduce wrinkles over time. For anyone looking for a powerful, science backed formula that supports skin health beyond just quick fixes, this serum is worth trying. Just keep in mind it's not a magic wand, results are gradual but genuine. I'm definitely going to continue using this serum consistently over the next few months to see if I can notice even more improvements, especially with deep set wrinkles and overall skin firmness. So stay tuned for updates. If you are interested in trying Medicate liquid peptides, I would say go for it, but keep in mind that great skincare is a journey, not an instant fix. This serum offers a high tech, thoughtful approach to aging skin, and with patience and consistent use, it can really support firmer, healthier, and glowing skin over time. If you have tried it or have questions, drop a comment below. I would love to hear your experiences. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest skincare reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.